Okay, as we have discussed cell part, where they are present, what is their description and what are their functions. Although four we have discussed earlier in our previous video, that was cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. We have discussed about these four already. So let us continue to the next part. Next is Golgi body, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, vacuole and plastids. Here we will discuss about all these, where these are present, what is their description and what are their functions. Let us start with the mitochondria. It is present in both means plant and animal cells both. Description क्या है? They are rod shaped body. इनकी shape कैसी है? Rod shaped. And they are the site of respiration in the cells. किसकी site है? Respiration की. And these release energy. As about mitochondria we have discussed earlier, ये energy release करेंगे. जो भी cell में energy है, activities होंगी, that all will be taken by the energy which is released by the mitochondria in the form of ATP. In the form of ATP. And what is ATP? It is the energy currency of the cell. ATP is the energy currency of the cell. Okay. Next, Golgi body. These also will present in both. किसमें? Plant और animal cells. In both these will be. Description क्या है? These are the flattened cavity in the cytoplasm. कैसी cavity है? Flattened. उनका functions क्या है? Secretion of enzymes and hormones. एंजाइम की सिक्रीशन करना और हॉर्मोन्स की सिक्रीशन करना, which is required for the cells. Next, ER. ER, it is the endoplasmic reticulum. ER is the endoplasmic reticulum. What is their presence? It is present in both animal cells and plant cells. Description, it is the network of ट्यूब्स और मेम्ब्रेन्स. किसका नेटवर्क है? ट्यूब्स और मेम्ब्रेन्स का. फंक्शन ऑफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम इज दैट ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ मटेरियल्स. मटेरियल्स का ट्रांसपोर्ट करना किसके बीच में? यू कैन से बिटवीन साइटोप्लाज्म एंड न्यूक्लियस एंड टू अदर पार्ट्स. Okay, it is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosomes, these also will there in the both plant cell or animal cell. Description क्या है? These are the small bodies attached to the especially RER. These will be attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. इनका function क्या है? To synthesize protein. And जो protein यहाँ पे formation हुई sent in the cells according to the energy demand. According to the demand of protein where it will be required, it will be sent by the ER. Next, vacuole. Vacuole, it is present in both but their presence is in the different way. Plants में vacuole होगा large form में and it will be small in the animal cells. Here it will be single, here it will be few, means it can be more than one. These are the sac-like structures in the cytoplasm. Have you seen the bags which are made up of the, you can see cotton also. So these are the sac-like structures in the cytoplasm. Vacuole का main function क्या है? Food को store करना. Food can be in the form of the carbohydrates. It can be formed in the water. It can be in the form of minerals and it can be in the form of any other nutrient. Okay, to store all these, vacuole is there. Next is plastids. Plastids, these are present only in the plants. Why? Because as we know, the function of photosynthesis performed only by the plants. That is why these are present only in the plant cells. Description: small colored and colorless bodies in the cytoplasm. Colored means what is there? Chloroplast. Colored के लिए chloroplast, and colorless we can say there is the chromoplast. Chloroplast में क्या है? Chlorophyll, which is used by the plants. And chromoplast, these are the non-green plastids. Non-green plastids which gives color to the fruits and flowers. What is their description? Small colored and colorless bodies in the cytoplasm. Functions: take part in photosynthesis, as we have discussed earlier. It is impart color to the leaf, flower or fruits. It is impart color to the leaves, fruits or flowers. So our next part is that one is left, that is lysosomes. We will discuss now about lysosomes. Lysosomes is present generally in the animals. Lysosomes present generally in the animals. We will use here generally. What is the description? These are the membrane bounds. Function: these are known as the waste disposal system. Waste disposal system means because of the different activities, if there is a production of waste, that is removed by the lysosomes, and these are also known as suicidal bags. Why these are known as suicidal bags? Because if there is any disturbance in the cell, they digest their own cells. That is why these are known as the suicidal bags. So you all are requested, you can take screenshot of this, revise all these things, read carefully. Thank you everyone.